Hello everyone, welcome back to Abhyaas Law Prep. GNLU Silvassa has officially released its vacant list notification where they have clearly given that for BA/LLB they have 20 vacant seats and the last date to apply for it is June 11, 5 p.m. and the application fees is of 4,000 rupees. This is the clear seat matrix where you can just check for general category. There are 6 vacant seats for general category. In women quota, there are 6 vacant seats, and whereas coming to EWS quota, there are 2 vacant seats. For ST, 1. For ST women, it's 1. For OBC, it is 2, and for OBC women, it is 1. And for OBC PWD, it is 1. For applying, you can just simply search for NLU Vacant Seats 2026 and you'll see the result, that is Abhyaas Law Prep NLU Vacant Seats 2026. You just need to go and click on check vacant list, and here you'll get it in the number 2, that is GNLU Silvassa. You just need to click here, that will be redirecting you to the official website where you can apply for the vacant seats. Please share this video if you know someone is waiting for vacant seats notification. Please do share, subscribe and like.